Updating your legal name on Libertex is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Libertex account by entering your credentials on the website or app. Make sure you're using the correct login details to avoid any issues. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the Profile or Settings menu, often represented by an icon or labeled clearly. Step 3. Select Personal Information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRF to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your legal name. Look for the field that displays your current legal name. Enter your new legal name in the designated area. Double check for any spelling errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Submit documentation. After updating your name, you may be required to submit legal documentation that verifies the name change. This could include a marriage certificate, court order, or other official documents. Follow the prompts to upload these documents. Once you have completed these steps, your request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation or any further instructions from Libertex.